This is not a Hollywood movie scene. This entire video is created using HitPaw Edimakor. Cinematic videos like this are trending everywhere, and today, I'll show you exactly how to create one. Stay tuned till the end. Step 1. Download Edimakor. First, download HitPaw Edimakor from the link in the description. Open the software and go to the image to video section. To make a high-quality cinematic video, you'll need good images. Here, I've already prepared a few. Now we'll turn them into stunning cinematic animations. Step 2. Converting images into video. Edimakor offers two ways to convert images into video. First, single image, which animates a single image with motion effects. Second, dual images, where you use a starting frame and an ending frame to create smooth transitions. We'll use both methods to create a smooth and cinematic video. Step 3. Generating cinematic scenes. Now, let's generate our first cinematic scene. The key here is writing a good prompt. A good prompt includes camera angles like wide shots, close-ups, or aerial views, motion details like slow zooms, tracking shots, or smooth pans. If you're unsure how to write a great prompt, simply use ChatGPT to generate one for you. Once your prompt is ready, select the video duration and click Generate. In just a minute, you'll have a high-quality cinematic animation. Now, let's generate another scene using dual images. We'll select a starting frame and an ending frame, enter a detailed prompt, and generate the transition. Once all our clips are ready, we move to the editing phase. Step 4. Editing, bringing it all together. Now, it's time for editing. This is where we bring everything to life. First, arrange your clips in the timeline in the right order. Next, add smooth transitions between scenes. I recommend using a black fade transition for a cinematic feel. For action scenes, special effects make a huge difference. For example, in this clip, the monster gets hit by an arrow in the chest. To enhance the impact, we'll apply this effect to the scene. Now, let's add cinematic background music. You can choose from Edimakor's built-in music library or a custom soundtrack that matches the scene's mood. To make the video feel more real, we'll add sound effects. If a monster roars, we add a powerful roar sound. If there's an explosion, we sync the right impact sound. Now that everything is in place, it's time to export the final video. And here it is, our Hollywood-style cinematic video, created using only images and Edimakor image-to-video feature. If you want to create videos like this, download HitPaw Edimakor from the link in the description and start experimenting today. And if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe for more exciting content like this.